I love you too, Amy.
I don't.
What? Why? I'm glad you love cameras so much, Amy. The back of your head is gorgeous. I love your ponytail. It's that. I think I caught your face. Olivia, what are your thoughts? Wow, Amy, you're really mature. That's fantastic. Okay then. Yeah, I saw your face on camera. What? No. No, I'm just videotaping because I want to. We're blackmailing people. Take a picture. Paige, say something interesting.
Hi.
Good one. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna strip. That's interesting. I'm wearing like 8 layers though, so it's not working.
Maddie, say hi.
Hi. Are you recording? I don't think you
Yes,
are.
I am.
No, the red
I'm
light.
recording, bitch. Just has the red light.
The real trend.
Let's like film your boobs for 20 minutes. They're gorgeous. This guy. Wait. Say hi.
Hi! That was a bit loud, wasn't it?
Say hi.
No.
Yes. Boop.
I'm gonna flash you.
Oh man.
We've gotta go to Japan. Penis cookies.
Oh my God! It's a dead penis cookie.
Sorry, it's a dead cookie.
Natalie.
Get that bitch.
made from your unborn child.
Yeah, it is. Can I miss your cookie?
Moochers.
Yes, I'm a
Do you
moocher.
love me?
Yes.
I don't get how that's
doesn't love
related
you,
to
Paige.
cookies, but okay.
Hey, the one on my book right now is And I Do Love You.
So Amy, what do you have to say?
Everyone loves me as soon as I get a cookie.
I love you anyway.
Love me. That didn't have anything to do with a cookie whatsoever.
Thanks, I love you.
I love you too.
She doesn't even have food. What is this? Yeah.
Filming down the hall.
Why do I have a feeling?
You're going to. Don't even worry about it.
All right. We walk in. Paige is skipping. You know, it's interesting. Woo!
I wish you had that other food. So, we're off to get this.
A dead baby.
Well, yeah, actually, that's exactly what it is. No, seriously. I'm wasting time by making awkward noises.
Everyone loves awkward.
We should show them the. Oh, let's show them the guy in the bright colored spandex.
I haven't even seen the guy in the spandex.
Where is that guy?
Well, the cameras go, so
No, you love him. Oh yeah.
This is the kind of people
man ever. The what trophy?
The ninja trophy.
We have a ninja trophy?
It's back there. It's like a samurai's helmet, and we don't know what it's for.
Okay, wait, what?
We have no idea what it's for. What is it for? It's for like skating or something. I swear to God.
It's a ninja. Don't even worry about it.
Trying to figure out what this is.
We're going to get the dead baby.
And I'm filming this for no
her
reason.
YouTube
Yeah,
channel.
for my YouTube channel.
And we're trying to figure. We never know what that's for exactly.
It looks like a ninja head, and it's got a weird
Say
language.
hi.
Yeah, say hi, our teacher. Hi.
Yeah, it looks like a,
Ninja.
no.
Someone killed someone.
Samurai.
Someone killed someone.
Samurai helmet.
I wonder why.
Why would we have a
Blade.
samurai?
No, I have never noticed that.
Okay. All right. Okay. The locker. No, don't stare at your money. We only have a little bit of time.
Hurry, go. You need admission to get into your locker.
We had admission like $50. That's.
Paige wants to lick you.
Yeah, Paige should stop licking people. That's really.
Show them its mom tattoo.
Yeah.
If you're putting on my back, and his butt. Look at those bruises.
We should never let Laura have children.
He's like like way too small to even be a real baby too.
It's a newborn.
Mother ever.
Yeah, that's
No.
fantastic, mother.
I really
we can all tell from your baby finis.
Do the head thing. Do the head thing.
It's great. It's got a little body and a big head. Oh yeah. Finis dance.
I love how your face looks like it. So perfectly, it just completes it.
Complete.
I hope that makes the cut.
It will. Don't worry.
We'll definitely make the cut.